Yo,
Here we go. You get me?
yes, sir.
What's up, buddy? What you making out, dog?
You know, another day, another dollar. You know how it go.
Yes, sir. Mm, I need to try something out this week, bro.
What you mean?
With my charts, he dude, he just had like each tab was a was a different time frame and had different marks on it. Usually, I put all my stuff on one chart, so I'm gonna see how this works. I was might still change the color so I can know. Yeah.
That's what I do.
You got different charts up with just that time frame marked on it.
Yeah,
Is it easier?
for me, yeah, because I know what is what. So so I just go down from like daily. It might be like daily to weekly, from the right to left all the way down to my time frame. And I just lock in whatever number, well, whatever thing, so it don't move.
Okay.
It's
And you
basically
said
like
you
long
locked
as you
down.
remember
Wait, you locked down what? I'm
the
sorry.
the lines so they don't move. So I can already remember, so that way whenever the market start, I remember what is what.
Okay. Did you relabel your chart?
Uh no, I just did it based upon the color. So whatever the time frame it was, I don't never move it. So that way I could just remember like what is this? I'm like, oh, all right.
Okay. Oh, it look like this shit worked. Yo.
So what you doing right there? I don't know all that. Like with this, I'm still kind of beginnerish. So I don't really, I don't really matter with that. I just do whatever is simplified for me.
Right. Nah, I was just saying like, so you see I got these four charts down there?
Yeah,
One, two, three, four. It'll be like weekly, daily, 4 hour. Then I still by me trading a 1 hour and a 10 minutes so much, I still put them on the same chart. But
yeah,
uh, the reason I was looking at it was because uh like midweek, we'll say Wednesday, Thursday, I noticed when we were selling off, we had this gap right there. But I don't think our last session, we didn't pay attention to we was talking about that imbalance shit. So
yeah,
when I seen it start selling off, like, oh, it's gonna go fill a gap. It's the third candle. Yeah, one, two. Then on the third one, it just sold off. The rules of it. You wanted to sell by the third week or the bounce. So if I would have knew that, I could have had this target. Uh, I still caught it before, but I could have had that idea once this candle kind of got past started trading lower than its previous week, than last week. Not last week now, but 2 weeks ago. So once it broke 45.53, I gotta say, all right, it's already trading lower than this green candle low. Now I can start looking at this. You see what I'm saying? But it had so much shit on one chart. So I'm gonna change the. I'm gonna see how I see how it work out. Like I said,
For me, I just go from right to left. A bigger time frame right, to the whatever my smallest one left. And that's it. I just leave it like that. Just lock in the colors.
but you
I don't
go.
change nothing.
You saying the chart or just on one chart you got everything on?
The chart. So you see how you were telling me about the multiple chart at the
Uh-huh.
bottom? I do it the same way, but I just do it that way so I don't never have to change nothing.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right. So yeah, we're on the same page then. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the same thing.
That way I don't, because a lot of time, like a few times I had combined them. I was like, that ain't what I wanted to do.
Right. I've had it like that because you still have, you still have a differential in color and shit. But then
Yeah.
y'all seen like my first chart before. I think this is still up. I mean the colors are there, but I always have to take off these blue lines and yellow lines
Yeah.
and kind of fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm gonna do all the way down to the 4 hours. I might have just 5 charts. I guess in the morning I could just check like I did this one for the weekly. Say, all right, what is looking like on the weekly, daily, weekly, daily, 4 hour, and then I'm trading a 1 hour and a 10 minute. I'll do this after. What's up, Mike?
What's up, bro?
How you feeling, big man?
Feeling great, dog. About to be started throwing my uniforms away today.
Get them out of here.
Out of here, dog.
Get them out of here, baby. So yeah, I mean, we got this gap fill. This the weekly.
All the block right there.
Where you at? Right here?
A little higher. Came right to it. Came right
right
to
here.
it.
Okay.
Yeah. But look, so if you go to a smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, I think the lowest it might go is that second red candle right there.
Right here, huh?
The open of it.
It's gonna, yeah, because
it's gonna bounce. It's gonna go higher. But after that, after this last little bounce we getting, that's a wrap. You might as well just, because we gonna sell, bro.
You think?
Yeah, dog.
I know we break this line, we going on a little ride, bro.
We out of here.
But they got, I mean, the lowest you could go is like right here.
That's 4,200. 42, yep.
42. That's the lowest I could see this bitch going. That's on how they gonna handle quiet witching or whatnot. But for the most part,
go lower than that, bro.
Than this?
Mm-hmm.
That's traffic down there, dog.
Go lower than
they put a level there, bro. All the way from over here. Fake child right here. I don't know. They got some. It took a little minute to break. Then we go lower. I'm gonna say this: if we do go lower, I missed out because I ain't selling nothing under here. I think we could trade. We could trade in this range and in this one. So either or.
Yeah. But yeah.
But you think we're gonna bounce? So you said we bounce here?
Yeah, I'm not buying. So right now, as we speak, where we stand in the market right now, I'm not selling nothing because we hit we fill the gap, right? So we can either retrace that gap. If we retrace that gap, we hit another order block.
Up here,
That's an order block.
right
So
here.
yeah,
You
it's
go
an
to
order.
the bottom of it.
It's an order block,
Yeah.
right? So if we hit that, we could sell off. Like we could really sell off.
I think we need
Because you gotta see, like, the liquidity has been cleared. So there's nothing stopping us from selling off. And even if you look at it on a smaller time frame, like on the daily or the 4 hour, it might be a little clear to you.
like the daily too. Daily played so well, so well. Daily played very well, very well.
But I'm gonna show you that trade. I took on the 1 hour. It's on the 1 hour. I'm gonna show it to you. That bit was cool. That bit was cool, son. Cold blooded. I forgot to. I'm gonna start recording my shit too. I be forgetting to do that shit.
And look,
I be
I don't even
forgetting
want
because
to
like
bring
when
it
I be
up no more. He just gonna pop up on YouTube and see a nigga that put some shit up for him. I don't even want to bring it up no more. That man been there.
I forgot because the trade I took Friday, I could have really recorded that bitch. I sat in that bitch for a little minute.
Daily please, so well. And usually I take the fill, like you take the fill right here, because it closed inside of there. But
see, it went. You see exactly where it went.
I don't want to.
It's too late in the game to be selling.
Yeah, it could go fill this and still be a wick and not close below this line. So my sell is actually a daily close under here.
You might not get that just yet.
Just yet. Then maybe. They got a few spots. The bitch ring. But which one would you want to break before you become a seller?
Which one?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta go up higher first for me to be a seller.
Come back here.
You gotta come
I'll
up to at least
this gap.
Yeah.
So you want to
whatever number that weekly order block is up there.
Right here.
What number that is up there? That's what I'm saying. Hold up, I'm about to look at it. The
right
bottom
here?
of that, the body.
The body.
Yeah, right there.
It
come back up there. Then I'm looking at it. That's the only thing I'm selling.
45.61. Yeah, so you talking about up here? Come back up here.
Yeah, I'm selling that. Now it could trade lower, and that's cool. That's cool, but I ain't touching nothing until. Because what I realized is last week and the week before that and the week before that, them fucking order blocks, dog. Like, you notice I don't even talk about gaps in the move. Like, I don't trade gap, dog. Them fucking order blocks get you fucking paid. Paid 1 hour, sit on 1 hour, 4 hour order block. Winston, trade your whole account, bro.
I'm about to go down to the 4 hour. I'm about to go down to the 4.
My trade, yeah, the trade I took was on the 1 hour. It's on a 1 hour, 5 minute, but you can see it on the 4 hour too. Really on the 1 hour. You can see it clearly on the 1 hour. I took a little heat on that bitch though.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared of the motherfucker. The hell about shit.
The hell my own. Nigga had me scared.
Power bounced. You gonna open up higher.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We definitely gonna open up high.
And this bitch break on the 4 hour. Might ride.
So
I'm about to go down to yours.
okay.
I'm just marking this shit.
Go lower, nigga. Go lower. Go lower. Go right there. That's weak. Yes.
You think about this one, no?
It's cool, but I like the lower one better.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I agree, yo. I
I
agree,
like
yo.
that one better.
Yeah, it look like if it break this one, this bitch gonna get cooked. Yeah, I
Yes,
agree.
sir.
I agree, yo. All right. Man, no. Man, fix the minute. Here you go. Yeah, Mikey.
That 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's a trade. I caught. So that whole move we took to the downside Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Caught that whole fucking move. Hold up. I took some heat on that bitch though. Reason being, so like on a 5 minute, they had like an order block at like 45, 54, 53 or something like that. So that's why I really got in that. I took some heat, but I didn't believe, like I knew the market was about to sell off. Like I knew we wasn't trying to trade no higher because if we wanted to trade higher, we would have. And I knew, so look, I really could really show it. I probably could really break it down better on the 5 minute, but I can do it right here. So
You want to go down 5 minutes?
yeah, you go to 5
I'm gonna be on here.
So look, this the ICT shit, dog. This shit fucking work. So from 8:30 to 11 o'clock that's your morning session, right? So if you draw a box on that shit, from 8:30
11.
to 11. All right, you got your high. You got your equal highs right there.
Right here.
Yeah, that's your highs. Then you got your low all the way down to 45, 14, off 18 right there. Yeah. So I'm looking at it like this. So I watched this whole morning range trade. I was like, all right, cool. So we started trading above the highs. So what I noticed is when you're trading above the highs, we wasn't going no higher. So I was like, okay, so all we doing is collecting orders, collecting liquidity, right? So, but I knew, like, if you squeeze your chart a little bit, you see that order block is right. What it was at, like 45, 50. Hold up. 45, 51 or some shit. Somewhere in those, I can't remember exactly where it was, but I remember I was like, we about to trade into this order block.
Are you talking about this
45.
one? Is it on a 5 minute or the day?
Yeah, right there. Go up a little higher. Right there. That green candle, the body of that green candle right there.
Right here?
A little higher.
This one. This one?
Yeah, no, to your right.
My right.
Just
Here?
the next one.
This
Yeah,
one.
right there. That was my entry, right? So I was like, this is an order block. So let's go back and let's go back to where we was at, to where we were trading at. So that was my entry. Now I took some fucking heat on that bitch. I ain't gonna hold you, because I traded this shit with no stop loss. I took some heat on that shit. So I'm like, bro, because if we wanted to trade higher, we would trade higher. We didn't. So I'm like, bitch, we about to sell off. So once we traded back into this range, back into these highs, you see those double highs right there, those equal highs. Once we traded back into that range, I already knew, nigga, we come and get this low right here at 45.18.
Okay.
Because all the market is doing is looking for liquidity. So now niggas saying, okay, well, we closed above those highs, so now we about to go higher, which is cool. That would have been a good trade too. That's 10, what that is, like 10 points. That's a cool trade too. But the money, the big trade, it was to the downside. Because if you notice, like if you watch the videos, I mean, I don't want to confuse you, but if you watch some of his videos, he always talking about buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. So the buy side liquidity is at the top. So niggas think we close above the high, we're gonna go higher. In some cases, that's true. But if you know price action, if you pay attention to the price action, nigga, you know if we wanted to go higher, we would have kept going. We didn't. 45.60 stopped us. I got my entry was 45.54. So I took a little heat, which is cool. So but once we trade back into this range, right? Nigga, that's a wrap. So now we back into this range, we come and get this liquidity from down here. And then on another time, like even if you squeeze your chart a little bit, we look at those lows down here. 40, what is this, 45, those equal lows right here. We came got that shit. Like the market is just looking for liquidity, dog. That's all the market is doing. So I knew for a fact, I was like, bro, we about to sell this bitch. So nigga, I got up. I sat in that trade. I got up, went outside, came back, but I was up like maybe 2,800. I just sat in that bitch. But I got out at 45.18 because that was my price target. And as you can see, the bitch kept trading lower.
Keep going.
But you can find reasons for it to work. You can find reasons for it to work with other, like, you know, terminology or the shit that we've been using prior to this ICT stuff. But nigga, my thing is when it's like when you know where price is going, nigga, is you ain't gotta worry about the shit. Like I knew we was coming to take these lows out right here because that was the range we traded this morning, and we never came back there. We didn't keep going. There wasn't no liquidity above us to trade. Boom. We've been bearish all week. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, you take all that into account. You see these lows down here, these equal lows down here, then you see this swing low that ain't been touched. Oh yeah, we come and get that. We come and get that. Come get that. I like you and I want you. You know what I'm saying? You put your target right there, bro, and you walk away. You good. If you wanted more, you know, you could have put your shit at what 4503, 45, anywhere in that area. But yeah, bro. I took some heat on that fucking trade, dude. I was down like I want to say like 550. 500, something like that. I think I ain't good. Yeah, like 500, 550 took heat. So that bit down. The ICT should work, dog. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I know all you need to do is learn like one or two of his setups. A wrap. But yeah, we can get back to our regular schedule programming. Shit work, dog.
Right here.
That shit work. And like you could have found, you know what I'm saying? You can find entry, whatever, you know, however you see the market. Like if you see the market as, you know, trading gaps or whatever, or trade, you know, levels, however. Broke that level, traded back into a level, couldn't get back above it. Okay, we about to sell. All right, even taking it down like that. But for me, the gem is knowing I know where price is going. Like I know exactly where price is going, so that's why I put my price target.
That bitch paid.
That bitch paid, dog. That
He-
bitch paid, dog. And then I'm looking at it from a weekly perspective. I'm like, dog, we about to sell down to this order block down here on a weekly. Order block what 45.98, something right there, 44.98. I meant to say. So I really could have held that bitch all the way down there, but I'm like, man, you know, no sense of being greedy. But you see, like even on the 1 hour, the market came. See this low down here. The market came got that shit. Like that's what the market looking for. So this was sell. They got liquidity
Right
down
there.
there. That's wick. That wick right here, down there to your that wick to your left, right there.
Right here. Right here.
The wick down here under your line. Yeah, the market can't got that shit. Like the market can't got that shit, bro. That's what the liquidity was.
It backed out of something, dog.
That bitch, bro. Telling you, dog, this shit crazy, dog. So if you combine that with your fucking market imbalance, it really ain't give you no intro in your imbalance though.
No, all the ones that I've seen, that first one from when we first started out the week, I got cooked on that one. I think I was talking to you about it. I was like, as soon as I bring it up and get adamant about it, almost like the lotto tree, that bitch fail you on the first try. You heard me? Like
Right.
if I was to get in there, but I think it ultimately gave you an exit too. But like this one, I'm not trading it because of this candle on the side. I'm trying to. How far back we have to go? What a week start? What were we looking at the beginning of the week? Because the bitch right here. Yep, that's it. Right here. That's the one. It's the one that took me out Sunday evening, I believe. Like, as soon as we opened up. So they
And
closed
that,
in
you know
there.
what else I noticed? And this I learned this shit in one of the videos. The nigga said, he said most times during the week, the high of the week is set on Tuesday.
I heard that somewhere.
The high of the week is set on Tuesday. So I think that's what
High
when
or
the
the low, huh? Or is
yeah,
it
that's when
always
the
the
market
high?
is either bullish or bearish. High, yeah, it's set on Tuesday.
Yeah, I heard that before. I got in here, it went green for a second. It didn't give me the whole thing, and then popped back out. Once it closed here, I got out. Like I said, fortunately, you you would have got caught because I tested it, ran, started using it as a level, closed back in here. Still didn't feel. It went a good way, then came back out. So I think I played this twice. I don't know if it was back here. I think the way this like unfolded, it could have been in the same pocket. I don't remember playing it down there. I know I got I'm saying I lost the trade, but I was still like I think I took $62.50 out of $600. This shit was up and it turned around and I just right at probably the entry of locking in one tick. So I was out even before it closed back above it. Then they had another one. This one. I think I got cooked on this one too. I believe. Yeah. Then everything else, it came. So this the other one I got cooked on. It closed in there. I got in. The bitch closed right back above. I got out. And the next came and filled it. I think this was a
But you wasn't paying attention to what was going on, nigga.
no, I was playing it for what it was. Once it went back
But
above,
look,
I
it
was
was a
like,
gap. It was a gap, bro. Gap bounce. You should.
no, look, this the thing. This the thing. This the third. Like it makes sense after, but when this trade going on,
You're like, let me get the fuck.
this is I gotta get the fuck because this actually you got 1, 2, this third candle actually could have ran and went filled that bitch. That would have been the one. So you out the way. I'm gone. This one ain't getting no entry. Went straight through it. No entry for me. Yeah, a few of them bitches didn't play in. They had, I don't think it was those two. And I think I made money on like a 10-minute one. But ultimately, it was fucking flat. Luckily, I didn't have like a major loss that I could think of. But I know those two for sure. I made very minimal profit on that first one. I think I probably took the whole stop loss on this one. Because I probably got picked up on this candle and it just blew through my stop loss. And I
You was
ain't
at work,
trying to
Craig?
possibly, what time is this? This 2 in the morning?
Oh, that's 2 in the morning.
So did I even get in this one? No, I won't fucking know. Maybe I missed this one. Might have got that other chart. I'll see. I'll see. But yeah, I think we definitely going back down. I just don't know if we're gonna get the pop first, or it's just gonna sell. And we might get 4 weeks. It's ironic that this happened in August. When we was talking about the seasonality and everything. So I'm interested to see the open, how that play out. Did I do a 4 hour chart?
Yeah, we glanced at it.
I'm going to this one. I got this chart. I'm looking for a daily closure under here. I took like a little sim trade to see if this was gonna bounce. And that bitch, I think I got in bad, so it's down like 1,200. Oh, damn. I got it up here. I wanted to play it right there.
That bitch gonna be green.
You got this too, though. So you could tell me which one of these you would take, but it's a 1 hour, but right here, made that gap. And I like it. I might, if we don't do it and we like come here, I might just take this fill on a smaller time frame.
Mm-hmm.
So you get another candle, we could be trapped inside this daily gap. So if we don't come up here and fill this at open, I might take this for a small time. Or take it from up here. Which one you think?
I told you I'm not selling nothing until we go back up. So even so we see that the top of your yellow box.
Right here?
That's where I'm selling from. If I'm
So you
selling
want the
anything.
gap fill.
Yeah, so we buy. So if I'm buying something, it gotta be something on a smaller time frame that's clear as day for me to be like, okay, I see what we're doing. I'm up there. I'm not taking
Ah, you
nothing.
mean sell?
Huh?
If you selling something, it gotta be here. But
From
you're not buying from down here neither.
no.
Just chilling.
Because it could, continue to creep down. And then, because so if you go to the weekly, right quick, so I know we hit a weekly order block. So what I realized about order blocks is they strong as a motherfucker. Like, so I know the 1 hour and a 4 hour whole weight. So the weekly, I know the weekly probably hold, way more weight than the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But it could creep down to the opening of the other red candle. Because that's an order block too that we ain't touched.
Right here. Oh, right here.
Yeah, that's it. The opening of that candle, 45, what that is, 44.56. It could creep down there. Too, and then take off back to the upside. Because that's a weekly order block as well. Oh, we hit that bitch already. Never
You
mind.
talking about here?
Yeah, we hit that bitch.
When?
We hit that bitch. So with that red candle?
This one.
Yeah, we hit it. We hit that order block. All right, so we could stay up there. We could stay up there though and trade back up to that order block right there. Yep. Once we hit that one, we selling, brother. So on Tuesday, write this in your notes. On Tuesday, if we hit that order block on Tuesday, that's gonna be the high of the week, my boy. Sell it.
Down here, this one.
No, I'm saying no. The up there.
Oh, here.
Yeah, so if we hit that order block Tuesday and start selling off, that's a wrap. Forget about it. That's it. Sell it. Ta-ta. That might be the day I stay home from work Tuesday. No, I gotta get a day. I gotta get 2 days off.
Let me in.
Yeah, I need that. I need my Friday off, and I need a day like a Tuesday or Wednesday off to trade.
What up, buddy?
Okay. Okay.
I like that. I'm gonna do something a little strange, Mike. Sure.
Ow.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, we're in the hood, son. I want you to
Okay.
tuck your jewelry in.
Okay. Okay.
You know, you
Y'all
ain't
can
give
see
me a
this,
chance to put my
Chuck?
fucking. You ain't give me a chance to put my fucking vest on, nigga.
Okay. 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 Okay.
This one ain't filled yet, but it closed inside of this gap. On the spy.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
spy gotta come down lower to touch the order block.
I think we all go on. Yeah, this is bad. Anytime you break above and then turn right back around and close underneath it, it's almost like you said, Mike. It went found for somebody and they sold the fuck out of it. Bearish in the golfing candle.
Yeah, so we gotta come down to what's the top of that red candle down there? 40, what, 44, 48,
Right here?
42.
Yeah, 443, 442.
Yeah. Gotta come touch that.
Dan, I'm almost playing it to here.
Now I'm gonna say this. Oh, this about to be nasty.
438.
Yeah,
See
it's
if
gotta
it come
come
give
touch
you a
that.
451 entry.
Yep.
Got that bitch down here. Usually that don't happen, bro. They just keep on fucking going.
Yep.
Maybe
We'll
it
see,
comes to what you said, then wick up, then go back down.
Yeah.
That's when you gotta go smaller.
We ain't got no news this week, do we?
You always got news. Always. Always saying something. This bitch coming down, man. It bounced it right here. It bounced the fuck out of it on the daily. Here go your gap. Came right here. Bounced. You gotta remember this ran to up here. Then came down at the end of the week and closed inside of it. So you probably gonna get just to your entry is 447. It's gonna sell down. It bounced, came tested it, bounced, went up to here the next day. It's candle red now because of the way it ended. But closed in there. Probably gonna come now. Come feel it. Come feel it, oh. 443.
Talk about the gold, bro.
Yeah, this bitch going to 77. And this, they ain't gonna make up this in no fucking
Apple
one
don't
day.
move like that.
Yeah, they ain't making it. They gonna strategically, Apple gonna slowly get back up here. The same way it moved to get up there. Got to do the same process. But it ain't done yet. I think we could come now probably to here. This shit off.
What's the lotto, man? Getting that a lotto, bro.
This
Yeah.
is we gave them the lotto already. We didn't even look at this last week. It's a wrap. It's over. I don't think it won't come all the way to 56, but that bitch did move funky. You got this area. Take this shit off. You had a little congregation there. There's something here. This might be your best bet. Between 77 and 70. Because it could just hold for so long. Guess that's all depending on how far the market trying to sell off. Big name. All the motherfuckers that ran, that's the only ones that could really sell. Got room to sell. That's the plan hard. You even put a closure in here. If we want to go lower. 245. Hey, they got a game that come on today?
Nigga, it's football season, nigga.
It's preseason, huh?
Yeah, I think so though.
I'm gonna trade this. I ain't do this on options yet, dog.
Do what?
The market imbalance. I trade the fuck out of this.
I'm out the hood, bro.
Yeah, that bitch would go up here on me, Mike, since I done called it out, and go to fucking 245 with no
No
care in the
problem.
world. No care in the world, you hear me? Just one big cat. Microsoft sells 40 points the day after I got in there.
Gotta stay out the hood, bro.
Then by expiration, though, you hear me? The day it expired, that bitch would be at 366 again. What happened? I should have bought more time, bro. Needed 7 more days. Maybe I should have bought my income test. Okay. Probably still just don't come in. Look like I do, dog. Y'all got any questions for us? What's on there? Just me and you?
Like, they got other people in here. Just me, you, like Nell in here.
Now,
Look, Ma sent the fucking message this morning. And ain't coming. That nigga is retarded.
I ain't got no comment, bro. Keep it a buck. I ain't got no comment, dog. I'm definitely thinking about renaming this program though, cause
What?
he ain't meeting shit. You hear me? He don't meet at all. Look at this little dirty hole. When I put
The
this
fucking
shit
Zoom started at 8:59 on the dot.
trash. You know, we did them already. Huh? Yeah. This other one. We got to start doing more off brand. Oh, ah, you know what I'm about to go to, huh?
What?
I'm gonna give you one guess. I was about to say something crazy.
Not fucking a firm.
Nah,
Ooh. Oh man. Man.
oh fuck.
On a Sunday. Boy, I tell you. Niggas.
Oh, okay.
Regroup here, buddy. But while we here, let's take a look see, shall we?
Yeah, what you say? What the fuck was going on? I haven't been here. Damn, that bitch went all the way to 219. When did Airbnb? This is the opening of it, huh?
I believe so.
Man, this bitch gonna have a fight, boy. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This bitch gonna fight. Give me that contract, Mike.
Give me 1 second, buddy.
I had to come look at it. I had to come look at it, Mac. Oh, Mac. I had to come look at it.
I'm looking.
120,
I ain't
130,
had no
125.
Sometimes you just gotta stay out of the way. You heard?
He got 4 or 5 weeks out, 130 to 125 call.
All right, look.
Where's trading at right now, though?
There one.
Maybe he meant put.
Oh, that's a good put. That's a
Maybe he
really
meant
good put. That bitch hit. It's a good put. You're right. You're right. Look over here a little bit more. What they got out here in Savage. Oh yeah, this whole thing about to come in. You see that? It's about to come fill that. It's a good put. Really good put, bro. You can play it, what, back to here? 46? This auto block, right? Let me see if I'm catching on with you.
Yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, we
So
trading
you
through
gonna
that price
sell
as an order block.
46?
If we come back to it.
Yeah, sell 46. Go all the way down to 30. 130 put, like the man said, yeah. And they give you the fill and the retrace. That's dog. Like it. I go your play now. 146 entry. Get your 130 put, like the man said. 3-4 weeks out, huh? You said it was 3 weeks out?
4 to 5 weeks out.
Okay. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. Mm-hmm. It's gonna come here. Then it's gonna bounce. We'll come back. Same thing for roadblock. Yeah, man. I'm about to head out, dog. That's all I got. You ain't got no more answers or questions. I'm gonna go mess with my charts a little bit more. Change all this. Mike, you know how to rename your charts?
You know how to rename
Yeah.
it?
Oh, here you let's see if it's gonna work. It ain't gonna work because this ain't the name. Let's see.
It should work, bro. It should work, dog. Questions that need answers. When you answer it yourself, when you're asking a question. Mike, you know how to rename your chart? One click. Hold up. That's all I had to do.
That's it?
This is dog.
I'm gonna try this week, bro. Instead of marking all my shit up, try to just
Have different charts.
Yeah. Max said I've been doing that, little dummy.
I just be having one chart. So I be having 2 charts. I have a clean chart, then I have my chart with my shit on it.
Yeah,
I don't need all that extra shit. I have a clean chart just to make sure I see what I see.
That weekly spooked me out though, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. This one.
The weekly spooked you out?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Because I didn't catch it, I didn't catch it till the shit started to that weekly move with the gap fill, the weekly gap fill. I didn't catch that till Wednesday, Thursday. So I felt like
you could have caught that shit Friday.
You could have, because that's when it, yeah. But
that's when it feel.
Not petty, I am. I just want.
Because you could have caught you 40 points, man.
I want it all.
40 points, 80 ticks.
I've been in contracts. What, 100?
10 contracts. How much 10 contracts is?
5 racks.
On 125, huh? 125 per tick?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see. Let me pull out my handy dandy notebook.
60. This bitch went 60 points. in a few
I'm saying
hours.
you could have caught. I'm saying you caught 50 of them bitches. So 125
How
times
much is
50.
I'm about to leave.
Hmm?
What if you had 99 contracts?
Oh, Ian.
Yeah, well, if you would have put up,
Don't say, bro. I'm starting to think them niggas is aliens, bro.
I stopped, I had went back and then I just stopped again. I was like, bruh, what the fuck?
I'm starting to
That
think them
shit
niggas
be
is aliens,
blowing me.
bro.
Yeah, if you put up
Ain't no way you
$3 million, if you would have
trade
put up
70
$3 million
contracts.
in 2020, you
Man, shut
what? Wait, what?
your stupid ass.
If you would have traded 166 contracts on the video, like,
That
wait.
man out here putting up 2K stats, man. He's crazy.
Y'all nigga wild, bro.
Oh, you know how much you gotta add to fucking trade 99
How much leverage you need to have for that, bro?
What's your stop loss? What is your stop loss? That's what I want. What's your
One
cutoff?
tick, gotta be one tick.
Nigga said trade, yeah, you'd have sold Nvidia. What the fuck? They said, what was you? You would have invested in Apple in fucking 2000. You probably wouldn't be listening to me. Honest.
For real.
I would have been making the videos if I would have did that. Fucking Ian, what are you talking about?
Listen, I think that nigga, he an alien or something, bro.
Would have bought Apple when it IPO. Nigga said,
If you'd have put $1,000 on Apple when it IPO, you'd be a gazillionaire.
oh fuck.
Well, nigga,
Nigga
when
said,
Apple IPO like in 90 what?
I don't know.
96, 97?
Yeah. Nigga said I wasn't old enough to have an account, buddy. What the fuck?
I wasn't old enough for that shit. Nigga wasn't telling me about that shit either.
What was I supposed to do? This must not be meant for me. I'm gonna send this to my mom.
I will put my L on my mama name.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. That gap feel.
Yeah, this will be. I'm gonna go work on this when I get back, man.
Straight that auto blocks, brother.
Man, this how you rename your charts, dog. Learn something every day.
I'm gonna go back to Zoom. I'm working right now, so you know.
I got you. Come right to the end. I'm on your time right now. So you can mark your tabs to where you know which one you're gonna look at. And I'm still gonna put my shit in color. And that'll be that.
Boy, when niggas get new toys, boy.
Oh, I can't wait.
They forget about the old one.
All right, fucking
Get the color that tab too.
And do
Bro, them auto blocks, dog. I'm telling you, bro.
trading. I don't eat Domino's.
Look, I'm gonna tell you like this.
I like Papa John's, motherfucker.
Papa John's good, dude. I like Papa John's.
Fuck
The
down.
big New Yorker from Papa John's, that shit good, bro.
We will look at that.
But look, go if you got time, dog. If you got like 30 minutes to spare today, go watch. I'm gonna send it to you. ICT video on auto blocks.
Send me
Shit
that.
gonna make sense to you. It's like a 25-minute video, dog.
What the fuck was Mike at? What? I wish I could go back to that first fucking play you told me about. This fucking.
Oh man, that was what 2021?
Yeah, what number was it though? This something
Man,
crazy, dog.
fuck. It was 4.
It had to be like.
It was look, go down lower. This is where we was at right up in here, some fucking with. I was like, yeah, that bitch I was like, that bitch going to 420. I can't remember the number. It was like 420 or 430 or something like that.
Legends with me.
You was like, nah, nigga.
No, I was asking, I was like, how the fuck? I was like, where is he?
You was like, nah, nigga.
And how the fuck did he know? That bitch ran. I was like, Jesus Christ.
No, Domino's paid me good, bro.
A
I ain't
few
gonna hold
times.
you.
I hit it one time. I hit that
Domino's
bitch
paid
before.
good. UNH paid good. I remember all the stocks that I traded that paid me well. Affirm.
That shit was.
Affirm was, boy, that bitch. I said, bro, you better buy this shit. You better get these calls. That nigga once was like, nah, that bitch gotta come back to $10.
What's this? No, down here. What was this $90 and go to it?
That nigga said, this bitch gotta come back. I said, no, it don't. He said, yes,
Nigga
it
said
do.
if you would have, you got to put when Winston called it. You probably be out of time because I know you still ain't sitting in that bitch. That
That
bitch took forever to come down there. It ran probably 5 more times since I was yelling put. Bitch kept going. I was like, wait, this
Yep,
shit
that
don't
bitch.
work. That
That
bitch
bitch.
came down.
Yep, that bitch
Yeah,
took
I'm about to
off.
push, bro. I'm about to push. We ain't gonna do this. We're not gonna go 35 contract mode on people, bro. Keep it simple.
Yeah, that was pre trucker. All right, I'm out.
Hey,
Y'all be good, bro.
all right, Mac. All right now.
Uh,